President Biden is speaking out after the monumental Supreme Court ruling on presidential immunity. The 6-3 decision marks the first time the justices have ruled that presidents have substantial immunity from criminal prosecution for official acts. President Biden warned that this ruling would make former President Donald Trump, quote, more emboldened to do whatever he wants if he wins the White House in November.
This nation was founded on the principle that there are no kings in America. Each of us is equal before the law. No one is above the law, not even the President of the United States.
In a scathing dissent, liberal Justice Sonia Sotomayor warned of hypothetical scenarios where the president would be immune from prosecution from using Navy SEALs to assassinate political enemies. The court's conservative justices describe that as fear-mongering and argue the military is bound not to obey unlawful orders. But Jake, there's still a lot of questions this morning about what exactly does the Supreme Court ruling mean for the country?
Yeah, that's right. Maybe a lot of questions. One thing we do know as you wake up this morning, former President Trump is happy about it, posting this on his Truth Social account. So what does the Supreme Court ruling mean now? The 119-page opinion from the justices has one key line in it that says this now concludes the president is absolutely immune from criminal prosecution for conduct within his exclusive sphere of constitutional authority. But Chief Justice John Roberts also goes on to say the president enjoys no immunity for his unofficial acts, which is an important point there. The ruling does mean that special counsel Jack Smith cannot proceed with significant allegations in the indictment against the former president. The justices, for instance, wiped out all of Smith's use of allegations that Trump tried to use the Department of Justice to undo the election results. So the case now goes back to the lower court to determine which allegations in Trump's indictment are official versus unofficial. That's the sticking point right now. So all of this lands right back into the hands of U.S. District Court Judge Tanya Chutkin. She's the one that's going to have to go back through the indictment to decide what was official business, what was unofficial business. And with all of this still ahead, Mimi, there is virtually 0% chance, according to many experts, that the former president will go to trial for any of those election interference charges before the November election.